supposed to do all day while you're at school?
I don't know. What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back. I gotta go to work. Hug. Oh my god. Oh, baby. I love you. I love you so much. Yes, I do. Thanks.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did a good.
Good morning, Bigfoot. How are you today? Oh, big stretch. We're gonna go on a hike today again. That's gonna be fun, huh? Hey, buddy. Bigfoot. Are you ready to have a great day?
Everybody has that one thing in their house that everybody thinks is so cool. Could be a hidden cabinet, little movie room, gadget, but ours is this.
What is going on inside their head?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So where's my ball?
You can have it. Get your ice out of the ice maker. You're fine. It's okay. Get you some. You gotta push it. Push. Oh, you changed it to water. You changed it to water. Here, honey. Here. It's back to ice. Get you some ice. Go ahead and get you some ice. Push. Push. You did it. You did it. Get one more. Here, get one more.
If your pet was on a dating site, post the photo that would be their profile picture.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So
Lola is trying to show Coco and Oliver how to use the doggy door. She is getting so annoyed at how dumb they are. Just use your head and walk through, dumbass. She has literally done it 3 times and they still don't get it. Use your paw, and then use your head. Fucking how.
Hold your dog up to the wall to see if they stop themselves. If they do, they're smart.
Oh, that's a smart boy. That's a smart boy.
There are two types of dogs. The gentle one. Good boy. And the not so gentle. Ow!
Come. Sit. Speak. Down. Roll over.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So,
that's suspicious. That's weird.
Harry, is your nose stuck? Harry. Good boy.